Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to contact the chat support on the Neteller web application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will find this main page, and this is the home page view. So basically here in the dashboard or the navigation tab, you will find here at the bottom the help center. So all we need to do is to click on help center, and as you can see there is the instant support chat bot, and basically all you need to do is to start a chat with it, and while you are chatting they will tell you, or it will give you the access to chat a real person within the time. Or while choosing a problem, so basically let's choose any problem. For example, let's go for accounts and maybe technical problems, and then just choose any problem, and then let's go back. Let's, for example, go for updates, and then let's change anything, for example the address, for example. And here if we go down at the bottom we will find contact us, and basically by that you can be able like to chat the support by that, or you will just use the chatbot and you are just going to start talking with it, and while talking it may give you like the choice to talk to another person or to a real person in the support. So basically this is or those are the steps to chat the support in Neteller. Thank you for watching and see you next time.